Hey everyone, it's Wednesday and it's What's in the Box. So I've just got a few things for you today and I've got them already spread out so you can have a quick look. So let's get straight into it. We have some travel theme fabric because we can't go traveling. So we've got some fabric for you to imagine go traveling. So we've got some great aeroplane fabric, a bunch of different colors, some of the aeroplanes flying all over the place. Then we've got a train stripe with some old traditional trains, some new trains, and some railway tracks in between there, which is very lovely. And then to finish off the travel theme, I've got this awesome car fabric, or vehicle should I say. We've got school buses, police cars, vans, sports cars, going on the roads up and down. And that's in the striped fabric as well, which looks pretty cool. So that's more of a kiddies theme, which is quite good to see. And then I've also got these little two pre-cuts here. So I've got a 2.5 inch strip roll from Poppie cotton, and the range is Woodland Songbirds. So you can see it's really quite lovely there. You've got a bunch of different muted colors and lovely small prints. So I've got that in the 2.5 inch strips and then also in the 5 inch charm packs, which is lovely to see. Make a quick, easy quilt with them. And then from there, what else have I got? I think that's about it. Really, very quick and easy. But remember, Christmas is coming up. We've got lots of Christmas panels, some Santa sacks, some advent calendars, Christmas themes, and we've also got Christmas fabric going on. And then what else was I gonna say? I was gonna say, oh, let me show you the quilt that I finished. So we'll hop over here and have a look. So was it last week, week before? I can't remember. Things are just merging into one. But I showed you the Hummingbird laying kit, and you got all the fabric in here to make the top and binding and everything. And I finished making it. So this is just half of it hanging up because it's so big. You can see it's pretty awesome. Bright colors with the hummingbirds, and it was really quick and easy to do. So that's a lovely quilt there if you wanted to do a quick quilt to get done. And then yeah, that's all I've got for you. So we'll see you again next week. See you everyone.